Alright, it's 6:30 right now, and you can get a better sense of what's going on. It's raining. You can actually hear the wind blowing. I think the door is about to close behind me, but I don't think it will. See how crazy the branches are. Look at that. You can actually see it better from my backyard. Oh my god, they got the sprinklers on. Well, those things are automatic. Tree leaves are falling down. Hear that? You can actually hear the wind. Nothing massive has been tossed around yet, although it looks like my neighbor's plant was cut in half. Unless she did that herself. But yeah, it's still kind of dark out. Irene's blowing away. Take that as you will. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'll check back a little later.